Hey guys, we're live at Costco Hotdog. So I got a tip from a friend, and this is right in the middle of a crazy, crazy pump. Costco Hotdog token. Pretty cool. This is what happens in meme coin territory. So this is really exciting. I just did a little bit of due diligence on this, and this is the school of Hammy Coin. Same kind of format, just get a site up, launch the coin, go fast and pump it, and it goes viral. It's on Radium. So this is it. Costco Hot Dog. I love it. This is the best of meme coins in 2024. So as you can see, you can buy it. They got a link to the chart in the Twitter and the Telegram. So let's check out the Telegram. So they got 2,133 followers already, and they got the website up, which is good. This is all good. They're tweeting. So they're like 2-3 days in here. So this is not like where I recommend getting into these things because it gets more and more dangerous. But I'm not gonna discourage anybody because as we know, these things can continue to run a long way. It can go to a billion. So, but let's just check out the Telegram here. The Telegram is hopping. This is the Costco hot dog symbol COST. And as you can see, there's lots of people in here. We have, I believe it's around 1,300 members. I can't quite see it. But anyway, it's hopping. A lot of interest, a lot of buys coming in. So as you can see, that just went in there for 4 SOL buy. I mean, that's nuts. And let's just look at the chart here on photon.sol. So yeah, it had a huge pump here just in the last couple hours. Yeah, 4, 5, 6 hours. Really, it started 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The big pump, 9, 10, 11. So the big pump kind of started in the middle of the night. Or yesterday night. Wow, what time is it? No, 4 a.m. this morning, essentially. If you were up that early, you could have kind of, I guess in Asia, maybe it's pumping, or Europe. But anyway, something big's going on. Huge volume came in, and that's really exciting. If you'd got in, at these levels, you'd be very happy. If you got in at these levels, you'd be extremely happy. And so that's really the game, is to try and get in here. But if you made your double or your 50%, you're also happy. Anyway, I'm not going to give investment advice because these are not investments. This is almost like betting. This is really throwing your hat in the ring and and fighting with the hot dogs. Yeah, so that's kind of like my quick covery of Costco hot dog, symbol COST, on Radium. And I'll put some links if you want to follow this. And just to let you know, I have finished writing a book on how to make $1 million meme coin, and it is posted on memecoinhunt.com. The link will also be in the description. The $1 million meme coin guide, the step-by-step guide to creating $1 million meme coin. And it covers everything you need to know to get your own token launched on Radium and get it floating and do it all correctly. And you can buy it now on Gumroad. If you just click the link there, you're taken to the Gumroad listing, and it is available now. It also includes a launch checklist, which is really useful to help you go through that process to launch your token quickly and efficiently. And it covers every aspect of that. So that's a $47 value, which is crazy because that's going to save you a lot of time when you're launching your coin. So that's going to be the link in the description below as well. The $1 Million Meme Coin Guide. So pick that up, and we'll talk to you soon.